Hi everyone. This video is going to show you how to use your laptop's camera app to tape your video message to our graduating seniors of 2020, and then I will show you how to send that video file to me through Facebook Messenger. To get started, I'm going to click in the lower right hand corner in the search box and type in the word camera. This will provide me with the camera app. Clicking on that will open up the camera app. Hi everyone. The option to take the video is over here on the right hand side. Make sure that's the choice that's chosen and it's not the camera, because that will just simply take a picture. Alrighty. Know this, that the second you tap that video option, it's going to start recording you. So you may want to get your mouse poised right over top of it. Keep it there. So when you click it, you're going to be right away looking at your camera and do your video. And when you're done doing your video, you'll click it again to turn it off. To avoid awkwardness by looking down at your mouse or looking down at your screen and that kind of thing. Just have it poised and ready with your hand on the mouse or your computer's touchpad or your laptop's touchpad, and make it happen that way. All right, I'm going to do it right now by clicking on the video, and it's going to start taping it right away. Hi, this is creating a video that I'm going to dedicate to the class of 2020, so on, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to click on stop, and it has stopped. All right, now by default, which is kind of cool about the camera app, is it automatically saves your file that you've created. So I can close this, and where it's saved is down in the lower or the bottom of your screen. I'm going to click on the file folder down there. Clicking on that will bring up the File Explorer option. On the left-hand side, I'm going to click on Pictures, and by default, it's saved right into a folder that's created on your computer called Camera Roll. So these are in alphabetical order, so it may be your very first folder. I'm going to open it up, and there's the video that I just created. Okay, now keeping in mind, that's where I found it. It's in my pictures folder in my camera roll. Hopefully that's exactly where yours will go too. Alrighty, so I'm going to go, knowing that it's there, I'm going to bring back up my Facebook. Okay, I have our group option open right here, right now, and I'm going to click on the very first option right here where it says add photos. Alrighty, that's the option to be able to put things right in this folder here. Now, if you want to, you can open up another tab that's just, or I'm sorry, another messenger that's just to me, so you're not showing everybody in our group. It's up to you. If you're willing to have everybody see it, great, put it right in our group one. Otherwise, just open up a new one and just send it to me. Either way, regardless, it's the same way. You'll click on the add photos option. This box is going to pop up. It automatically goes right to where I wanted it to be, only because I was there the last time already in here, the very last time I was using this option. Okay, you'll want to make sure that you go to pictures, just to make sure that you're in the right area, pictures, and then there's your camera roll again. Now don't panic, you might think, oh, there's no movie there. It's because right now it's only looking at pictures. You'll want to drop down where it says image files and choose all files instead. Clicking on that then makes it so you can see your video. You can click on it and then click open, and it's going to put it right here. Alrighty, it isn't sent yet. You'll want to click on the press enter to send, or press your enter key to send, and it will be sent to me. It may take a little bit of time for it to fully send because it may be a larger file, but it will come through plain as day and it won't have any issues, and I'll have your video. Alrighty, I hope this helps. If you have any other questions after trying it this way, let me know. Alrighty, good luck everybody.